In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a free ClickUp account. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To get started with ClickUp is quite simple. Just head over to the homepage, and here I'm on the homepage, and then click on Get Started. It's free, or you can also go ahead and click on Sign Up. Since I'm a first-time user, I'll go ahead and click on Sign Up. Now, this will take you to this page where you have to continue by entering your work email, or you can also continue with Google. So I'll go ahead and choose my Google account and then continue. Then here, go ahead and choose your purpose for ClickUp. So you can either choose whether it is for work, personal, or school. So I'll go ahead and click on personal. For yours, you can choose a different option. So I'll go ahead and choose startup here. How did you hear about us? I'll choose YouTube, and then you have to enter email address. So I'll enter mine here and then click on next. And you have to choose whether you use any of these tools. You can either choose any of them. For instance, you can choose maybe Google Drive or any other tools that you use. So you can just select them from here. Once you're done, click on next. Then choose some of the features that you'll be interested in. For instance, if you're interested in whiteboard, CRM, forum, forms, just go ahead and choose as many as you want. So once you're done, you can go ahead and click on next to proceed. And now you can modify your name here and click on finish to finalize. I'll click on next. You can also listen in to get just the head start. So here I am in my ClickUp workspace. Now, one thing you may want to do is maybe to go and confirm your email. If you go to your email that you have just used to sign up, right now, I'm good to go. From here now, you can start your projects. You'll be able to see your space here. Under it, you can see team space, projects, and anything you wish will be available here. You can start creating your projects from scratch. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can create projects in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.